Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I've been up to about the last 4 days. It's been a while since I posted a video here. But I've been working on a new affiliate marketing hub website that'll be attached to my main freedommotivator.com website. Okay, so it'll have everything to do with affiliate marketing, and are all videos from all the top marketers on YouTube and in the world today. All right, so stick around here, and we'll be right back in just a few seconds, and we'll get started right on that. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. And if this is your first time here, and if you've been here before and you haven't done so already, reach down there and click the subscribe and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we post new videos regularly. Alrighty, so also if this is your first time here, what we do here is we do videos on how-to videos, anything to do with making money videos, affiliate marketing videos, and once in a while we'll throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay. All right. Well, like I said in the intro in today's video, I've been working the last 4 days. It's been about 4 days since I've posted a video on YouTube now, because I've been busy working on my second website that's attached to my main website. It's a affiliate marketing video tube, I call it, but it's a hub where you can come if you're an affiliate marketer, and you can just view everything to do with affiliate marketing. Okay, they're all videos to do with affiliate marketing. So if I come over here and I click on Opera here, loaded up, this is my main website right here. Some of you guys may have already seen this, but there's a new link on here, right here, freedommotivator.com's new affiliate marketing video tube site. And if you click on that link, it'll take you over here to this. And this is what I've been working on the last 3 or 4 days to get it up on the online here. And it's got everything to do with affiliate marketing, either online or offline. And all of these are the top marketers on the web today. Okay, they all here. We've got teaching videos, we've got tutorial videos, got everything. It's basically a central hub for affiliate marketing. If you're into any kind of affiliate marketing or making money online, this can be a central hub where you can come, and this is going to be updated regularly. Okay, right now, as you can see, if I scroll down here, I got about 6 pages of it. There's over 50 videos. I'm headed towards 60 right now, and I've got them in the here's the most viewed videos over here, and some of the highest rated videos are down here too. About 5 of them in the sidebars here, and I've got categories on here too. Now it starts out when you come to the site. It starts out in the trending videos. These are the newest videos. All these videos on here were done within the last 2 months. I believe most of them, probably 90% of them are done within the last week to 2 months. Okay, so there's all 50 or so of them here, and you can click on each of these categories here, and then there's categories here I've put up where we've got, just like for example, ClickBank videos. If you click on that, it'll show you all the current ClickBank videos that are on the website right now, and this will grow, of course, over time. And then other categories here, how-to and tutorial videos. And there's 2 pages of that here. And this too also will grow. Everything's going to grow on here. There's going to be more and more as these top marketers come out and put out their videos. I will add them to this site to make it just a central hub where you can come, rather than, you can go to YouTube, of course, and do searching for affiliate marketing videos and get all kinds of them too, but you'll get them in all different months and years and time like that. These are all going to be kept up to date with as of the more newer videos that are posted. Okay, and it's just a central hub where you can come and deals only with affiliate marketing. Now, for example, if you can come and you see all these, and like for example, if you click on one, it'll load it up in the page itself here. It loads here. There it comes. And you can watch the video right here on the site. Guys? It's Nathan with Freedom and also you can like the video, you can share it from here. Plenty of different sharing places right here, and also you can rate the video, and you can see how many views it's had on the site so far, and then the categories that it's in, and then there's other related videos that relate to that one. And then, of course, you can leave your comment for Facebook. This will post to Facebook on your Facebook channel. And then you can write comments just for this site alone also. All right, so I encourage you guys to come here when you do, if you like the videos, to rate the video, how much you like it, 1 through 5 stars there. And then leave a comment, and don't forget to share the videos too, okay? And click like on it if you like it too. This will help the people who made these videos. This will also help them as well when you like and share their video and so on, okay? And so yeah, this is what I've been working on the last 4 days. It's up and running now, but it's going to grow and grow and grow in terms of the amount of videos that I'll put on here. It'll just get more and more and more over time. And so yeah, you can come here if you need to. You can either get back to the click home there, and that'll put you back to the regular trending videos of all of them. There are 6 pages of them here, and you can also go back to the main site. If you click that, it'll take you back to my main website where my blog is, and so on and so forth. Alrighty, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Is the new video marketing video tube site that I've been building for you guys. So feel free to come here. I'm going to put a link for it. It'll be a bit.ly link because, as you can see, this link up here is rather large, a rather long link on this. So I'll shorten it down into a bit.ly link and put it on down in the description of this video for you. Okay. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys today. Just show you what I've been doing the last 4 days. So feel free to come here and check out all that you want. I mean, there's something here for everybody. We got how-tos and all. Like I said, there's plenty of tutorial videos. There's offline, online going to be added. There's ClickBank videos. Anything to do with affiliate marketing and making money is going to be centralized right here on this website. And so feel free to come here anytime you want. And don't forget to bookmark the link I'll put down in the description for you too. Okay, all right, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up there at underneath the bottom of the video there. And also, you want to see my #1 recommended business, click down there where you see it says Mentor with Kev and read all about it there above the link. It'll tell you what all you can get for that. Okay. All right, and I'll let you go for now. There's plenty of other links down there too in the description, but I'll let you guys go for now. I just wanted to give you a quick update here of what I've been doing here the last 4 days or so. So enjoy it, and I'll see you guys here again in a couple of days on the next video, okay? You guys have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye now.